Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. I appreciate you. Well, I did the 250 subscribers, and as we all know, I drew a name and it was Vicky Bell. And I've sent her goodies off to her and she has received them. So I am going to put a link below to the video that she did when she opened up the goodies that I sent to her, so you can see what she received. It was one of the journals that I have put together just from all kinds of miscellaneous paper. Now hers was a little thicker than the ones that I have in my Esty shop. Just bigger rings and some more paper. I thought that would be a special goodie for her. And then I did give her one of my chalkboard trays. But go on over there, check out her video. It's not very long, and see, she kind of tickled me when she was opening it. I did a special couple little things for her. Anyway, so I decided I had so much fun with it, I want to do it again. But that means I need to get to 500 subscribers now. So I did this in chalk, even though it doesn't seem like it wants to come off. So now we're going to go from 250. Now I want to do 500. So when I get to number 500 on YouTube, I will do another drawing and send that individual some goodies. So tell your friends to subscribe. You never know. I bet you Vicky didn't think she would be the one drawn, but she was. So again, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And come back and check out what I'm up to. I've been playing today. I've had some time. So anyhow, I'll be back, and I hope to catch you, and I will see you down the road. Bye-bye.